After adjusting the size, cut to size. Use the end of the ruler to make a bow tail. Cut the bottom part following the shape. Make appropriate grooves for placing the tusks, so as not to shift from its position. Assemble and join the formed parts. Continue cutting to size for the stern area. Cut the stern area to a height of 30 millimeters and about 40 millimeters at the stern bulkhead limit. Cut according to the specified marks. Create sway for gating gate and layout. Put it into position after everything is cut. Install all the ivory materials in their positions.